Hello students, today I am going to discuss CBSE sample paper question of class 10 of the section C part, especially physics portion I will discuss in this series. Class 10, class 12, both physics will be discussed. The first portion, Arna was making the notes and he wrote down the following statements from his understanding of reflection from curved surface. First question, what they are telling: concave mirrors can produce both real and virtual images depending on the position of the object. So, first statement they are telling concave mirrors can produce both real and virtual image depending on the position of the object. So, let's have a look on this discussion. Now, what was the first question? First question was that concave mirror concave mirror can produce both real image and virtual image. Now, what we know, we will discuss in detailed way. Concave mirror. What are the concave mirrors? First, if we take the mirrors, okay, I will take this portion. Wait, if we take a concave mirror, okay. So this is a concave mirror. We take a principal axis. We know this is focus. This is pole. Sorry, this is center of curvature. This center of curvature. This is pole. Focus, center of curvature, pole. We know concave mirror can produce beyond C, between C and F, at C, at all these position, concave mirror can produce which kind of image? Real image. If the object is situating beyond C, then also concave mirror will produce real image. If the object is standing at C, then the concave mirror will also produce real image. If the object is standing between C and F, then also concave mirror will produce a real image. We know. But what if concave mirror is standing between focus and pole? If concave mirror is standing between focus and pole, we know that concave mirror will produce both concave mirror will produce virtual and enlarged image. That means what we will get to know. The first statement they are doing, the first statement they are mentioning that concave mirror will produce both real and virtual image, and the statement is itself true. Concave mirror can produce both real as well as virtual image, because between C and F, and if the concave mirror is there, I'm telling the positions. If concave mirror is there and the object is standing between C and F, then also concave mirror will produce real image beyond C. If the object is standing beyond C, then the image will produce between C and F, then also concave mirror will produce the real image. If the object is standing at C, then also concave mirror will produce a real image at C. But if the object is between focus and pole, then the concave mirror will produce virtual image behind the mirror. That means if statement 1 is true, concave mirror will produce both real and virtual image. Now, the statement 2 and 3. Statement 2 and 3, they are telling convex mirror produces. So statement 1 is, so we can tell statement 1 is true. But statement 2, what they are telling, convex mirrors always produces real and inverted images. No. If we will take any convex mirror, if we will take any convex mirror, suppose I am taking any convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. Okay. If we will take any convex mirror, we will see if the object is standing in front of any convex mirror, the image produced always will be what? Whatever the image will produce, that will be always virtual and small and erect. Virtual, small and erect. Erect means straight, upright. So what we got to know from here, that concave mirrors produce both real and virtual image depending on the position. This is the correct. This statement is correct. But convex mirror produce real and inverted image. This is not correct. And if I come to the case 3, in both concave and convex mirror, image location can be determined using the mirror formula 1 by f equals 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is also correct because we know in both concave and convex mirror only the formula of 1 by f equals 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is also applicable irrespective of concave and convex mirror. So if we discuss, so the option number 1 and 3, option number 1 and 3 are the correct statement. So they are telling choose the correct statement from the least correct option that leaves the correct statement about the reflection of the curved surface. So 1 and 3 means option number D. Option number D is the correct answer. Right? Now, we are going to discuss the question number 31. Question number 31, what they are saying. Now, question number 31, they are asking choose the correct option from the below which explains the reasons for us to perceive the sky as blue. So, option A, if I will take the sunlight passes through the atmosphere, shorter wavelengths such as blue are scattered more than the other colors. So, what option A is telling? Let me tell you. I will tell both at বেঙ্গলি অ্যান্ড হিন্দি অলসো। ফার্স্ট অপশানে কি বলছে, বলছে যখন সানলাইট एटमॉस्फेयर दिए पास হয়, जब सनलाइट एटमॉस्फेयर से पास होता है, शॉर्टर द वेवलेंथ्स, वेवलेंथ जो तो छोटा है, वेवलेंथ जितना छोटा होता है सच एज ब्लू आर स्कैटर्ड मोर देन अदर कलर्स. व्हाट वी नो दैट वी हैव 7 colors विबजियोर, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Among these 7 colors, they are telling whenever the sunlight consists these 7 colors. Sunlight ये 7 कलर ही आछे, सनलाइट के पास ये 7 कलर्स ही है. जब सनलाइट एटमॉस्फेयर से पास होता है, when the sunlight is passing through the atmospheres, shorter the wavelengths, wavelength जितना छोटा होता है, लाइट स्कैटर उतना ज़्यादा करता है. नाउ let's come to discuss this discuss this statement. We know according to Rayleigh scattering law, according to Rayleigh scattering law, intensity of scattered light, what I'm telling, intensity of scattered light is proportional to 1 by lambda to the power 4. That means what? It's kind of inversely proportional relation. I for intensity, I for what? I for intensity, and lambda for wavelength. What does it mean? It means if wavelength you are increasing, intensity is decreasing. If wavelength is increasing, intensity is decreasing. We know this thing. That means if you through atmosphere विबजियोर, violet, indigo, blue, green, gior, yellow, orange, red, these lights are passing. In general, VIB, these violet, indigo, blue, these are actually what? These are actually shorter wavelength light. As these are shorter wavelength light, these will be scattered more. ये वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, इन इस कलर का ये इन विबजियोर में, रेनबो पे, विबजियोर पे ये वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ये तीनों कलर का वेवलेंथ सबसे कम है, सबसे कम वेवलेंथ. व्हाट वाज द रिलेशन वी स्टडीड? वेवलेंथ जितना कम, शॉर्टर द वेवलेंथ, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ स्कैटरिंग उतना ज़्यादा. मतलब वेवलेंथ जितना कम होगा, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ स्कैटरिंग उतना ज़्यादा होगा. सो मतलब जैसे कि वायलेट, जस्ट लाइक वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, वायलेट शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ, इंडिगो शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ, ब्लू शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ, इन लोगों का वेवलेंथ सबसे कम है, सो स्कैटरिंग ज़्यादा होगा. बट येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड, दीज आर द ग्रेटर वेवलेंथ. ज़्यादा वेवलेंथ, स्कैटरिंग कम. मोर द वेवलेंथ, लेस द स्कैटरिंग. लेसर द स्कैटरिंग, लेसर द वेवलेंथ, more the scattering. Now, so according to me, option A should be correct. Now let's see. Option B, they are telling the sky appears blue because all colors are equally scattered equally. No, this is not correct, because all colors are not scattered equally. The blue color of the sky is due to longer wavelengths like red and orange scattering more than the shorter wavelengths, making blue stand out more. No, this is also not, because blue color of the sky is due to the larger wavelengths like red scattering. No, red orange scattering more. C option, they are telling red orange scatter ज़्यादा होता है. Red and orange wavelengths are more. Wavelengths more means scattering is less. But blue color wavelength is less, so scattering is more. And atmosphere contains blue colored particle. This is also wrong option. So 31 question option number 1. So 30 option number D, 31 option number 1. Now let's discuss the question number 32.